So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please thank you for the subscribing, and thank you for sharing and commenting. So today I'm going to show you how to make flaxseed and fenugreek seeds hair mask. So it goes like this. I'll be putting two spoons of flaxseed, fenugreek, and then I'll be putting also 2 from the flaxseed. So guys, I'll be putting 1 cup of water in it. So guys, we put it on the fire and we close. It will boil for some 10 minutes, then we can remove it. So guys, our girl is ready, as you can see. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, so now we are going to remove it and we'll let it cool down. Yeah. We're going to have to let it cool down so that I add more things. So guys, our mixture is ready and I'm going to blend it here. I'm going to blend it here. As you see, it's better you leave some water in it, and then I'll put the egg yolk. So guys, it's not good to blend it when to put the egg when the mixture is still hot, because it will boil the egg. So that's why we leave it a bit to cool down. So guys, we have this filter to strain our mixture now. You see, yeah. Where's the remote?